Unveiling the mystery, the sound of rustle in the garden. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression that paints a vivid picture with just a few words: rustle in the garden. Whether you're a seasoned English speaker or just starting your learning journey, understanding these phrases can enrich your communication skills. So, let's explore together what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, rustle in the garden, combines two key components: rustle and garden. Let's take a closer look at each word. Rustle refers to a soft, muffled sound caused by the movement of certain objects or materials. It's often associated with leaves, paper, or fabric when they are gently moved or disturbed. Garden, on the other hand, is a piece of ground near a home where flowers, plants, or vegetables are grown. When we combine these two, the phrase evokes the imagery of a serene garden where the subtle, soothing sounds of movement can be heard, perhaps caused by the wind, animals, or even a person moving through. Discussing rustle in the garden isn't just about the literal meaning. It's also about the feelings and images it conjures. This phrase can evoke a sense of peace, mystery, or curiosity. It often paints a picture of a tranquil garden, stirring with life, inviting listeners to imagine what could be causing the rustle. Is it the wind, an animal, or something else? Understanding phrases like rustle in the garden can greatly enhance your ability to express nuanced thoughts and emotions. Here are a few examples of how you might use this phrase in conversation. To describe a peaceful moment: I was sitting on the porch, enjoying the rustle in the garden. To build suspense in a story: suddenly, there was a rustle in the garden, but no one knew what was causing it. This phrase is a wonderful tool for descriptive language, helping you paint a more vivid picture for your listener or reader. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, rustle in the garden. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and inspired you to incorporate it into your own English usage. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the images and emotions those words evoke. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep practicing, and happy learning!